Hey guys, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we're talking about an absolute powerhouse, hashtag Lava. This project is officially in price discovery mode. Look at the charts. Lava is already up over 90% from my previous higher time frame outlook. There are no major resistances ahead, and the fundamental catalysts are aligning. Lava is the modular data access layer for blockchains, and its RPC adoption, transaction numbers, and client base are all growing frenetically. The network currently supports over 30 blockchains, including Ethereum, Polygon, and Solana. Technically, retesting the 0.240 to 0.250 zone is likely next, but that could be just a small taste of what's coming. The price is up over 297% from its all-time low. The biggest catalyst? The Kraken listing is confirmed for December 10th. This often brings higher trading volume and easier investor access. This naturally leads to the next question. Is a Binance listing next? It's a huge possibility, and that would send this token into the stratosphere. Now, before you go, I want to talk about how you can take your trading to the next level with me. I'm running a free Telegram channel for all my quick updates and market insights, and my free VIP group for even more setups and a closer look at our trading strategy. The links for both are right in the description. Peace out.